Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today, we are going to be showing you how to make a bacon cheeseburger omelet. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks again for watching. If this is your first time watching though, please do me a favor, go down, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, like I said, we're going to show you how to make a bacon cheeseburger omelet, so let's head into the kitchen and see what our ingredients are. We've got, of course, ground beef, we have got bacon, we've got eggs, cheese, and 1 onion. Let's start cooking. Alright, in order to save a little time, I went ahead and I cooked off the ground beef, as you can see here, just to get it done ahead of time, make this a quicker and easier video for you to watch. And also, along with the bacon that I used, I cooked that off ahead of time too. I cooked off the whole package actually, because I'm going to be using more of this bacon in another video. Alright, you want to put about half a tablespoon of your favorite oil in your egg pan that you're going to cook your omelet in. You can use bacon fat. I'm not doing that. I'm using olive oil. Crack your eggs into a bowl. I'm just going to whip these up. Make sure your pan is hot with the oil in it, and drop your eggs right in. As we always do, we want to just take the edges, push the edges towards the middle so the runny egg that's not cooked can hit the outside of the pan and cook. And just continue to do this until most of the egg is set. You can tilt your pan to get that egg to do that. See how it runs underneath? I'm going to go for a really wide angle here so when we flip you can see the flip. Before you attempt to flip though, make sure your egg's moving around the pan, and then you just want to roll that over. Now we got the egg flipped, the raw side's down. I'm turning off the heat. That allows me to take the other ingredients while the egg is not cooking. I am using, as you can see, I'm using a different spoon than I used to get the raw meat cooked, and we're just going to put that right into the omelet. The cheese in there. I already chopped up some bacon, and then we're just going to gently plate it. There it is. Rounded part of the omelet on the rounded part of the plate. I'm going to top this off with some more cheese and some bacon and ground beef, and then we're going to take some awesome photos of it for social media. We're going to place those photos into this timeline of the video with some groovy music, and then we're going to come back and we're going to try this out. So enjoy the pictures and enjoy that music. Again, those pictures were lovely. Some really groovy music there. Now is the taste test. It's still kind of hot. Got a little bacon in there, a little cheese, a little onion. I didn't put pickles in it because I think that would be kind of gross, but you're more than welcome to do it. That omelet is fluffy. That ground beef, should have seasoned the ground beef a little bit. Cheese, of course, is nice and gooey. That bacon though, I got maple syrup flavored bacon. I think going with a different, like an applewood smoked maybe would have been better because it's a little bit too sweet. But something you want to put on a bacon cheeseburger, maybe a little applewood smoke or some other hickory maybe. But it's bacon, so it's good. Very good flavor. Really fun to make. And you got all that ground beef, and you can do whatever you want with it. It's already cooked and ready to go. Maybe look at one of my playlists. I use a lot of ground beef. There's probably a video in there for you. Hey, I appreciate you watching today. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to check out that description box on your way out. Not only does it contain the recipe for this show, but it also has a bunch of groovy links. I have a gourmet seasoning shop on Etsy and also have a cookbook on sale. Those links are down there. Don't forget to check out the playlists I've got down there for how to create a cooking show on YouTube, and also a playlist link for how to improve your channel and help it grow. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already, and then make sure you share this video with everyone that you know. Take care of yourself. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.